Hi, my name is Ben. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I would like to cover 把 construction sentences or 把 structure. It's one of the most difficult structures in Chinese, in my opinion. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we get into the 把 construction, let's do a quick comparison between a normal sentence structure and 把 structure. In basic Chinese sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object, just like in English. And the example sentence that I choose is 我吃了一碗饭。我吃了一碗饭。我 is I, 吃了 is ate. 一碗饭 is a ball of rice. So 我 is a subject, 吃了 is verb, 一碗饭 is object. This is the simple basic sentence structure. And what is exactly 把 structure? 把 structure basically use 把. Actually, there is no equivalence in English, but it can be roughly translated as grab or take. And basically, 把 structure is you use 把 and then move the object to the front after subject, and then verb, and then you have to plus a result or a resultative complement, meaning a description of the result or a direction. The example sentences that I choose is 我把饭吃完了 or 我把饭吃光了. So 我 is subject, 把饭 should be the object, right? But you use 把 structure and move the object to the front after the subject. 我把饭 and then plus the verb and the result. What is the result? 吃完了 吃完了 is like all finished, or 吃光了 eat it up or ate it up. So literally it means I took the rice and ate it up, but it means I ate all the rice. And the difference between the basic sentence structure and 把 structure is the basic sentence structure put more emphasis on the verb I ate, but if you use 把 structure, it put more emphasis on the object and the result of the object. You ate it up, you finish it all. So that's are some differences between the basic structure and 把 structure. The emphasis are different, the sentence structures are different, the position of the verb object are different. In 把 structure, you always need resultative complement or directions, and we will have more details later. So now let's move on to when to use a 把 construction sentence. It's when the subject changes the state of a definite object or the subject changes the position of a definite object. So it has to be the subject did something to the object and then change its state or change the position. I'll give you two quick examples. The first one, 我把杯子打破了。我把杯子打破了。So it means I broke the cup, and the cup was complete, but now you broke it. You changed the state of the object, right? And then it's the subject, it's me who broke it. So this is the first usage, change the state of a definite object. The second one is 我把衣服放在桌上。我把衣服放在桌上。I put the clothes on the table. So the subject changes the position of the object. The object 衣服 was not or were not on the table, but you put them on the table. The position was changed. So these are two occasions that we need to use 把 construction. And now I'll give you four structure that will need to use 把 structure. The first one is subject plus 把 plus object plus verb plus result complement, as I presented earlier. Example, 我把蛋糕吃完了。我把蛋糕吃完了。蛋糕 is the object, and you use 把 to move the object to the front. 我把蛋糕怎么了？吃完了。完了 here is a result complement. You finish it all. You ate it all. So 我把蛋糕吃完了。I ate all the cake. I ate it all. So it follows subject plus 把 plus object plus verb 吃 and plus result complement 完了。The second example is 我把报告做完了。我把报告做完了。报告 is report. So 我把报告做完了。I finished the report. So it also follows the same structure. Okay, so this is the first structure of using 把. And the second one, subject plus 把 plus object plus verb and plus direction complement. Direction. For example, 我把书拿起来. 我把书拿起来. 起来 is kind of like up in English. So I pick up the book. I lifted the book. So 起来 here is the direction complement. Second example, 我把鞋子放下来. 我把鞋子放下来. So 下来 is kind of down in English. So here is the direction complement. I put the shoes down or I put down the shoes. And now let's move on to the third structure. Subject plus 把 plus object plus verb plus either 在 or 到 or 进 plus place. For example, 我把书放在桌上. 我把书放在桌上. 在桌上, 在 is the preposition, 桌上 is the place. So literally it means I took the book and put it on the table, but it actually means put the book on the table. And the second one, 我把花拿到外面. 我把花拿到外面. 外面 is outside, so it's a place. So I took the flower outside. The third example, 我把衣服放进衣柜. 我把衣服放进衣柜. 放 is put, 进 is into, 衣柜 is closet. So 我把衣服放进衣柜. I put the clothes into the closet. The last sentence structure is subject plus 把 plus object plus verb plus 给 and plus someone. For example, 我把钱还给朋友. 我把钱还给朋友. 还 is to return. 给 is kind of like to in English. So it means I return the money to the friend, to my friend. 我把钱还给朋友. Second one, 学生把作业交给老师. 学生把作业交给老师. 交 is to hand in or to turn in. 给 is kind of like to. So 学生把作业交给老师. Students hand in the homework to the teacher. Okay, so that's all the contents about 把 structure that I would like to cover for today. If you like my video or channel, please don't forget to like it and subscribe it. If you have any questions or comment or advice, suggestions, please feel free to leave a comments below. And I hope it's useful. I will see you in my next one.